Keem team, what it do? Welcome to Keem's Garage. I'm your host, Keem the New Kid, back at y'all with one more video. Now, you see the car in front of me. To those of you who know me well, this may come as a surprise because I have a strong distaste for BMWs, but I'm gonna give them a chance. The B58 platform is blowing up, and that's what this is. It's 2022 BMW M40iX, X being X-Drive, BMW's all-wheel drive system. This has the B58, of course, BMW's modular engine family, the B38, the B48, and the B58. The B58 being the 3-liter inline six. This one in particular has 382 horsepower. This has red brake calipers, the M brake calipers. These headlights are different from the ones on the M2, the G87 M2. It has these active front, this active front grille, where I guess the slots open up depending on how fast you go. I didn't know that. That's actually a really neat feature. If we go around to the back, I really like the styling of this car. It grew on me a lot. I know everyone hated the styling at first, but you know, it is what it is. I think the change in the headlights was really what it is for me. I'm glad they kept the signature kidney grille on the front. Let's hear it start up. All right. That makes a nice sound. That makes a very nice sound. I don't know which shade of gray this is, but let's get the show on the road. All right, let's see if I get converted out of being a BMW hater. Now, I can tell you right now, these seats are not the most comfortable. Maybe there's a way to adjust them that I haven't figured out yet, but they sure hug you in when you're going around corners, but oh wow, that's really pushing my back. Okay. Yeah, I think the Audi that I reviewed is much more comfortable than this. Without any further ado, I guess let's get this show on the road, man. One thing I noticed, maybe this is with a lot of modern cars, I don't drive a new car. When I take my foot off the brake, it doesn't go, even when it's in drive. I'm not used to that. You have to put your foot on the gas and then it moves forward. All right, now let's get moving. Bitch. Now we got an issue. Now I'm really turning to a BMW driver. That's really how you want to drive, my nigga? All right, we're on the highway in the M240i. So maybe I should give some background for where and when my distaste for BMWs started. I never really liked the people who drive them. They just seem really obnoxious and they drive like dickheads. I don't really have a nice way to put it, but I still think BMW makes nice cars. Well, I never liked them. I always preferred Mercedes. I'm a Benz guy. The only BMWs that I ever grew up liking were, I think, the M5. Most generations of the M5, except the G90 M5, the new one. I'm not a huge fan of it. I don't really like the styling. But any other M5, you know, E39, E60, F10, F90, any other M5, I really love M5s. If I had to choose between an M5, like an F10 M5, or a W2, what is it, a W212, E63, I'd probably take the M5, to be honest with you guys. I also like the E92 M3. I've always loved the E92. You know, it's the last, or pretty much the only V8 M3. Come on, man. I mean, it's a fun car to drive, I'll say that. It's a really fun car to drive. Oh man. I don't know which one I like, this or the Audi. It's a really hard decision to make. I don't know, the Audi is definitely more comfortable, but this is more, it has more punch to it. If most modern BMWs drive like this, I don't know if I could ever daily drive a BMW, because comfort is just a huge thing for me. Like, sure, this would make a great fun weekend car. Me personally, I wouldn't daily drive this. I wouldn't go on long tours for this or long drives. It's just not, I don't know, the seats are really what's holding it back Can I enter through here? I think this is a good place to end. Wow, what a car this is. Well, this has definitely changed my mind on BMW. Maybe not their drivers, but this has definitely changed my mind on BMW. I'll give this car a smooth, I don't know, 7 out of 10. And that's gonna wrap this up. If you guys like what you see, please leave a like. Comment down below if you're new. Comment what you'd like to see. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Drive safe and take care.